morning edition of Me News. Beachgoers today encountered a strange new phenomenon on the shores of adventure. Reports have been streaming into the station of a large number of unusual objects washing up on local beaches overnight. We spoke with an expert on unusual objects who assured us these are even more unusual than usual. The beach was soon overrun with antique dealers hoping to reel in the tidal wave of trinkets, but the ocean reclaimed most. The ocean is, after all, the greatest antique collector of all time. We asked residents for their reactions.
It's a miracle, don't you think?
See, just like I said.
Thanks for watching. I'm Jianjin, and this has been the 11 o'clock news.